Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the tailgate. Use a small flat-bladed screwdriver. We're going to remove these two caps to get to the screws underneath. Just pop them out. We've got a little tether to keep them in there. Do the same for both. These are 7mm head screws. I'm just using a socket and a driver handle. I'll remove these. Now we need to push the taillight straight off of the quarter panel. There's a clip behind here. So you gotta give it some force. You're gonna push it. Oh, it came out pretty easily. There's a pin here that it's stuck on. Just push it out. Now you have access to your bulbs. So a brake light bulb. And turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Open it up. This is a 7443 bulb. You pull it straight out, and then to replace it, just push the new one right in. Line up the little tabs, and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. This little marker running light bulb out here. Same way, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. That actually looks like it's burned out. It's a little 194 peanut bulb. Put a new one in there. Install a new bulb. This pushes right into place. Line up the tabs and turn it clockwise to lock it. That's it. Reinstall the assembly. I'll line up this pin. It's going to go right into that grommet there. That's it. Reinstall the self-tapping screws. Just tighten it in. And if you'll get tight, just stop. Push these back into place. Snap right into place. The opposite side is the same exact procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.